There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well.
So right now it's 4:30 a.m. and we have 3.5 hours to go to home. And you know the best thing about भोपाल is कि यहाँ पे इतनी ग्रीनरी है ना. Like if you see सबके घरों के आगे there will be a lot of plants, trees, almost हर जगह. Is my R&T और हमारे यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा पेड़ है. This is the place where I stay. So finally I am at home. एंड अभी मैं और पुष्पा जाएंगे जिम क्योंकि हमने जस्ट 3 दिन पहले ही अपना मेंबरशिप लिया है और तब से हम सोच रहे थे कब जाएंगे कब. सो आज हम जाएंगे अपना न्यू जिम. फटाफट रेडी हो जाते हैं. सो आई एम सो टायर्ड पर आई थिंक समवेयर आई हैव टू स्टार्ट इट. सो लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. See my tired face, but we are not skipping gym today. So finish my cup of tea and then straightway head to the gym. Okay, and I'm super excited because first thing, it's a new gym. Second, it's going to be our first day. So you know, excitement तो हो ही जाती है. Pushpa, say hi. Hi. Are you excited for the first day at the gym? Yeah. पुष्पा को एक्साइटेड नहीं, बेचारी आती थी.
मैं नींद में रहती हूँ सुबह सुबह. आंखें नहीं खुलती मेरी
क्योंकि मैं नाइट करके आई तो मैं फ्रेश. Hello everyone, this is the Zumba section. Ta-da! Since it's not functional right now because they don't have a trainer currently because there were not a lot of batches for the Zumba, but they said that if you know Zumba or aerobics you can come and perform here anytime. We are going for the breakfast. So guys, we have reached Chai Kapi and we are going to have breakfast here. So come along with us.
I want to, I can bring you to the moon. Yeah.
So guys, this is a very aesthetic cafe called Chai Kapi and the entire vibe is so aesthetic. I think food is also good. I have come here once before, but this is first time for my dear Pushpa.
मुझे अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. एम्बियंस अच्छा है ना. इनफैक्ट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि यहाँ पे लोग कम हैं और वो वाली जगह हमें सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आती है. वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड 2 अदरक वाली चाय एंड बन मस्का और एग सैंडविच. एंड बिकॉज आई एम अ होल हार्टेडली नॉन वेजिटेरियन, बट हमारी पुष्पा प्योर वेजिटेरियन है तो शी विल ईट द मस्का बिकॉज शी वॉन्ट्स टू हैव सम मस्का. she falls into the category of introvert. So if she, please don't mind. Apologies from my side. She will not speak that much in my videos, but yeah, she'll be present. Guys, this egg sandwich, it's too good. A lot of cheese topped on it. And pepper. Guys, I could not finish my sandwich, so I packed it for the evening because we don't want to waste food. And this is my outfit check. So guys, hi, I am back right now from a very yummy breakfast with my friend. So if I don't sleep right now, because it's currently 12 p.m. and after night shift, I think it was quite hard for me to, actually go around and have the breakfast little far away, but we made it and I love the time we spent together. So finally, let's sleep and I'll see you guys in the evening. Bye. Up and show you my evening routine during my night shifts, but believe me, I could not vlog the entire 2 days, and right now I feel like today is my night off. My entire night shifts were super busy, so we are going to vlog it today. Okay, all the apologies, I can't help it because night shifts are very unpredictable. I thought that I will vlog everything, but I just could not gather the strength to do it. So we will do the vlogging today for my night shift, but on a night off. So without any delay, let's go to sleep. अभी हम चाय बनाएंगे. सेजू आ गई है घर एंड दिस इज आवर मिल्क. आजकल हम मलाई निकालने लगे हैं बिकॉज वी हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग ओरिजिनल. इसको डाल देंगे इसमें एंड दिस इज फॉर लाइक 10 days हो चुका है. मैंने यूट्यूब पे और भी बहुत सारी रेसिपीज देखी हैं जहाँ पे इट्स लाइक you can make paneer also and you can make like suppose if you boil the milk, okay, तो इसका जो मलाई है ना which is left over, so what you can do is उसको when we boil it for the ghee वाला thing ना, तो in between you have to add a 2 spoon of curd or something. So थोड़ा सा जो part आएगा that is the paneer, okay, and then let it boil it for like till the time it becomes complete black crusted. Then you fine it and make it a ghee. Wow, so nice. Thank you so much for coming to my cooking channel.
But it is very nice and homemade, less adulterated with less chemicals.
Because ghee तो हम बना ही सकते हैं ना. And since we went in the morning for breakfast, and since we don't wanted to waste the food, I packed our egg sandwich,
very good, I must say.
Which we are going to have it right now with our chai. So let's make some chai. हम यहाँ वॉक करने आए थे, सोचा था कि हम कुछ नहीं खाएंगे
या
बट गाइस कांट हेल्प.
बट मेरी चटोरी जुबान, माय गॉड, आई कैन नॉट रेजिस्ट टू हैव अ चाट नाउ. लेट्स ईट समथिंग हॉट, रगड़ा पैटी, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
मेरे मुंह में पता है, मैं सुबह से ही खा रही हूँ बाहर से. पता है ब्रेकफास्ट बाहर था, लंच किया नहीं क्योंकि सो
नो, बट विल हैव समथिंग.
हमारा हो गया डिनर, सारा चाट क्रेविंग कंप्लीट हो गया है एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग होम. सो आई थिंक हम अपना ब्लॉग यहीं पे एंड करेंगे एंड गुड नाइट, टेक केयर गाइज.
Like, share and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye, stay healthy, love you, bye.